everyone, I'm Dawn. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting with me today. So today we are going to put together an Easter basket for the family. In this case, my family, but this is kind of to show you can put one together for, you know, any family, a gift to like a neighbor's family or whatever. So I'm going to show you everything we got and we're going to put it together. Okay, so I got a lot of stuff though. I got milk chocolate Hershey bars. I got Hershey with almonds. I got Kit Kats, and I got Reese's peanut butter cups. These were all buy one pack, get a pack free, so that's why there's so much of that. And then I also got some cashews and some mixed nuts. And then I got two Chex Mix. I got the sweet and salty, which I don't think I'll like, but Eric should like that. And then I got savory. Then I got some unicorn cakes because they're kind of Eastery colors. And then over here I got some Easter grass. I'll use it. I just gotta figure out if I want to put something in there to kind of lift everything up. And we've got some milk chocolate eggs. I didn't get robin's eggs this year. It used to be my favorite Easter candy, but now it's just kind of like the last 2 years I've had some, it just didn't taste like it did when I was a kid. Then I got jelly beans. We're gonna fill these little eggs with jelly beans. And then I got a little pack of Cadbury eggs. And then I got us 2 games. I got Color Hop and I got Ladder Ball. I love Ladder Ball. So that's all I got, and we're just gonna put this all together. All right, so here is our basket. Think for a second. I'm going to find something to put in here to provide some lift. Not for the games. The games are going to stick out enough, so we'll actually go ahead and stick them in here. Then we just need, maybe I can, oh no, they're too big. I'm just going to see if I could just find something to put there just to provide some lift for our Easter grass. See. This is just a little bit too big. I have to find something else. Let me see. This side here. That. Okay, I think that'll work. Alright. I haven't dealt with Easter grass in so long. I hate it. It's so messy. But it looks good in an Easter basket. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put our unicorn cakes in here. I'm gonna wedge them in over here, I think. Oh, you know what? I forgot to get plastic to wrap it up with. That's okay, we don't need that. Then I think I'm actually gonna remove some of this because it's probably way more than I need. I mean, once I fill it up with things. Okay. I'm gonna put these 2 guys in here. There we go. And then grass right there. And put those. Oh, goodness. Now I'm going to fill some of these with jelly beans. By by the way, I want to teach y'all a little trick about retail. So this bag had these nice bright purple and pink eggs in here, and then it had a couple of these, and then a couple of these, this color. They do that on purpose because there was another bag of eggs that matched the grass, and I was thinking of getting that, but it had the same thing. It had like 8 of them that were really vibrant colors and like 4 that were just kind of blah. They do that on purpose to get people to buy more than one package and get all, so they can use all the bright ones. Just so you know. So we'll put some eggs in here. Oops. Got some fall down here. Okay. I should have probably got a bigger container. I didn't quite anticipate totally spoiling my family. And then I got the Chex Mix in there. And then I have a whole half a bag of jelly beans left, but they will get eaten. That won't be a problem. Then I got these little chocolate eggs. We'll just sprinkle some around. You don't have to sprinkle the whole bag in there. There we go. That's a good thing. And then the good thing about these candy bars is if I had several baskets to make, you know, you get 6 in each of these packages. I think I'm just going to put maybe 2 of each kind and then hide the rest of the candy. You know. There we go. Put it right there. All right. And hold on. I almost forgot the best part. The doggy treats for the puppies. Okay. I should have put them back here because it's cute, but it's not really an attractive packaging. Okay. All right, so we have lots of leftover candy bars. I'll have to find a hiding place for them and forget where I hid them. And I will clean up this residual grass. Okay, so there it is. Our little Easter basket for the family. So I'll just set this up somewhere and see how long it takes people to notice. All right, well that's it. I just wanted to show you the process of me putting this together. Nothing really difficult or special, but you know, maybe I gave someone an idea. So that's something. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye. Hey doggies. Hey doggies. Hey doggies. Hi. Hi pups.